Coronavirus vaccines have transformed the fight against COVID-19, but they have also transformed the personal finances of several individuals involved in their development, according to the People's Vaccine Alliance, a group of non-profits campaigning for equitable global access to vaccines, which includes the charity Oxfam.
The pharmaceutical corporations behind some of the most famous COVID-19 vaccines, like the company Pfizer, for instance, or Moderna, they're making huge profits from the monopoly they have on these vaccines. And as a result, their investors and their CEOs are becoming billionaires for the first time ever.
They include the chief executive officers of US pharmaceutical firm Moderna and the German firm BioNTech, according to analysis by the People's Vaccine Alliance. The alliance claims 7 other executives or investors involved with Moderna and the Chinese firm CanSino Biologics have also become billionaires.
These COVID-19 vaccines were funded by public money, by taxpayers like you and I. So these are not the property of these companies, and they should not be used to deliver these enormous profits.
The patents on the vaccines mean the pharmaceutical firms can dictate the price and distribution of the drugs, says Lawson.
Because of these monopolies, we're ending up with an artificial scarcity, and it's quite enough space for these companies to make a decent return, not obscene profits, not creating billionaires, but also at the same time share their technology, share their intellectual property, and allow every competent vaccine manufacturer on earth to be producing the vaccines we need.
In a statement, BioNTech said that it had already increased its production capacity up to 3 billion doses in 2021. The firm added that patents are not the limiting factor to produce the vaccine, which is, in its words, a complex process developed over more than a decade. Moderna did not respond to requests for comment by the time of publication. Poorer countries are facing a dramatic shortfall in the supply of vaccines. The United States this month declared its support for a move to suspend patents on coronavirus vaccines, first suggested by India and South Africa. The issue topped the agenda at a global health summit held by the G20 group of industrialized nations in Rome Friday. In a joint declaration, the G20 called for voluntary licensing and technology transfers, but stopped short of supporting a suspension of vaccine patents. The European Union pledged to give 100 million vaccine doses to poorer nations this year and build vaccine production hubs in Africa. Henry Ridgewell for VOA News, London.